So today I'm going to show you a really quick way to make 4 half square triangles at the same time. So we'll start with these 2 squares of fabric. These ones are 5 3/4 and they are going to end up being 3-inch squares. So I have a chart on my blog that helps calculate the size that you need to start with in order to get the correct size when you're done. So you're going to line up your fabric with the right sides together. So this fabric is face up, that one's face down, and then we're going to sew along all 4 sides. So let's just get this lined up evenly. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. So next we will, got my cutting mat here, and we're going to cut them from corner to corner. This direction as well as this direction. Okay, and then we'll open them up and press them open and trim them. So we'll do a quick press on the seam. I'm going to press towards the dark side of the fabric. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to square up the triangles now. So this one is going to be a 3-inch square when we're done. So we're going to take this 45-degree line on our ruler here. I'm going to line it up with where the fabrics meet. I'm going to line it up so that this 3 right here and this 3 right here line up. So we're going to cut off a little bit, then we'll flip it and cut off a little more. I like to make my half square triangles just a little bit bigger because it just leaves less room for error. I'm not always the best at getting exact seam allowances or exact cutting, so if you can make them just slightly larger and then trim them to the exact size need once they're made, they come together a lot nicer and look a lot better. So there you have it. Be sure to head over to the blog to get my cutting list so you can determine what size to start with in order to get this finished size that you want.